So welcome back to Tep Talks. We are going to look at the equation of the line, and we are going to look at how do we find the equation of the line, like what you have been doing at O level, the same thing which you are building on now. Can say the equation of the line is in the form of y equals mx plus c, where m equals the gradient of the line, x is the x coordinate of the Cartesian plane, c is the y-intercept, and the y is the y-coordinate. So when you are given the gradient and you have the y-intercept, it is very possible and very easy for you to get the equation of the line. I can start with example 1. Find the equation of the line. Find the equation of the line passing through the point, A, 3, 5, with gradient 4. Solution. We have got, I have said find the equation of the line passing through the point A, 3, 5, with gradient 4. So if this is the line which we want to find that equation, and we have got point A is 3, 5, you can say let P x, y lie on the line with point A, which is 3, 5. So if this is point A, we are saying the point P is here, we are calling x and y. Let it also lie on that very line. So how do we get the gradient here? These are the 2 points. This is like x1, y1. This is x2, y2. So what are we going to do? We are going to start from getting gradient. You can say gradient m is given as change in y. You can say y1 minus y2 all over x1 minus x2, or you can even say y2 minus y1 all over x2 minus x1. But we know the gradient. We are given the gradient as 4, which is equal to, do we know y1? y1 is already 3, is already 5, minus what is y2 is a y, all over what is x2 is a 3, minus x2 is already x. We are free to cross multiply. So we are going to have 4 into 3 minus x, which is equal to 5 minus y. Can we try to open? We are getting 12 minus 4x equals 5 minus y. So can we try to rearrange our equation? This one should come that side. So we are having negative 4x plus y plus 12 minus 5 equals 0. So we are having negative 4x plus y plus 7 equals 0. Dividing out by negative, we are having 4x minus y minus 7 equals 0. So this one becomes the equation of the line, as I've tried to see on the first one. Then on the second item is find the equation of the line. Or before we go that one, we can even look at alternative. let's first look at the alternative. Alternatively, you can say we have got the point A, 3, 5. Then you can say from the general equation of the line, from the general equation of the line, y equals mx plus c, and we have got the point as 3, 5. So this one is standing for x and this one is standing for y. So can we substitute in? We need to substitute in and see if it is bringing that very idea. So what is our y? Our y is already 5, which is equal to our m. The gradient is given as 4. You can say 4 times. Do we know the value of x? The value of x is 3, then plus a c. So I've got 5 equals 12 plus c. Bring it in this side. C alone is negative 7. After coming out with c equals negative 7, then we go back and y equals mx plus c. We get y equals, m is already 4, x minus 7. So if I can take this one the other side, we are going to remain with 4x minus y minus 7 equals 0. And you have already come out with that one. You can see that when you pass the other side, you're also getting that one. Let's look at the another one is find the equation of the line passing through the points. Passing through the point, you can say P, -2, -5, with gradient 3/4. So one look at that solution. So they have said you find the equation of the line passing through the point P with gradient 3/4. We can say saying let Q xy lie on the line with point P, which is given as -2, -5. So this is point P, which is -2, -5, and this is point Q, which we are calling xy. So we need to first get the gradient of line PQ. So we are getting gradient of PQ, which is the same as, you can say y minus becomes y plus 5 out of x plus 2. But the gradient is already 3/4. We say 3/4 equals y plus 5 over x plus 2. So we try to cross multiply. What I'm getting, we're getting 3 into x plus 2 equals 4 into y plus 5. So can we bring this on the other side? We are getting 3 into x plus 2 minus 4 into y plus 5 equals 0. So can we try to open? We are getting 3x plus 6 minus 4y minus 20 equals 0. So we are getting 3x minus 4y minus 14 equals 0. This one becomes the equation of the line. And that's how we can try to solve the equation of the line when you are given the gradient and you have got a point. So when you have a point, you can easily use any of those methods and you'll come out with the exact thing.